In this video, I'm gonna do some demoing. I'm gonna break out this workbench so that I can make some room for some dryers. All right, so my goal here is I need to demo and remove this old workbench. And I'm gonna pull all these supplies out, break this out, and then I'm gonna have an electrician come in and we're gonna wire the 2 dryer hookups right here. And then we're gonna bust through and put some dryer vents right there. And I want to put 2 dryers here, and I want to put 2 washers right here. And then I'll have shelving right there for people to use. All right, that's the plan. Time to move all this stuff. Okay, I got my work site cleared off. So now my next step is with this breaker sledgehammer that I have, I'm going to eliminate the support beams. That'll make this easier to knock down, and then I'm gonna just try to break the braces and knock it down that way. I need to be cautious of existing infrastructure that I don't necessarily want to destroy. Looks like I have a water line right here, and I can probably reuse that, although I am gonna repair it. So I don't wanna destroy that either, so I need to be cautious of that. Looks like there's some screws I could take out to make this easier as well, so I'll consider that. Okay, that came off pretty clean and easy. Not much damage to any of the drywall. I'm gonna get this piece off next. It did not hurt anything. It's just old and piece of junk, so it came off pretty easy. I'm gonna go get this in the dumpster after this. First, I'm gonna take this extra piece of wood off though right now. All right, and that border came off very easily as well. Next step is just clean up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these all picked up, and then I'm gonna sweep up so that my electrician can come in to run those lines. All right, and that's how you demo something in about 10 minutes or less. Thanks for watching.